Hello folks, we are once again back with this exercise 7.6. That's the next exercise in our integration chapter, and here we are going to do, like in the previous exercise we did integration by partial fraction. Here we are going to do, as it is written on the board, we are going to do integration by parts. Now what is the meaning of integration by parts? Integration by parts generally means that you will have a product of functions, and it's this product that you need to get integrated. Now it's not so simple as it was in derivatives. Like we used to apply the product rule or the Leibniz rule, which said that u times derivative of v plus v times derivative of u would give you the answer. But here it's not like that. Here also it's integral of u times v dx, but it's a huge affair. Okay, so we'll just first understand what it is and then take the first problem. So you are going to get an integral which is of the type u times v dx. So it is for us, and directly right away we'll learn the formula. The formula for this is u times integral of v dx minus integral of du over dx times v dx, the whole dx. Of course it will not make much sense, but as we do the problems it will be clear. So this is the broad formula for integration by parts. Integral of uv dx is u times integral v dx minus integral of du over dx times integral of v dx whole dx. Actually here the integration is happening two times. You have to take the integral two times to get the answer. So this is how you have to do. So this is the formula. Of course it will make sense only when we do the problem. So this is the formula, but it is not like derivatives where you can take any function as u and any function as v. We cannot do that. For assigning the function u and v, we have to follow a rule which is called as ILATE. I mean, it's a rule, this is a short form for that, ILATE, where I stands for inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions, L stands for logarithmic functions, A stands for algebraic functions. Algebraic means polynomials or numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. T stands for trigonometric functions, and E stands for exponential function. So in this order, you have to decide which is u and which is v. The first one which comes in this order becomes u, the second one becomes v. So that's how we have to decide and then go in for the integral. It will not make much sense unless we take the problem. So right away, let's take the first problem in this exercise 7.6, which says that you have to find the integral of x sin x. So as usual, let's first assign what is u, what is v. Then we will go in for finding the integral. So what is u and v? This function is an algebraic function and this function is a trigonometric function. So let's see where is the order. First comes algebraic, then comes trigonometric. So because first comes algebraic, so therefore u will be x. So whatever function comes first, that becomes u, and whatever comes next, that becomes v. So v becomes sin x. Now it is always practical that as soon as you assign, so always remember, so amongst the two functions, first assign u and v according to the rule ILATE, and then after you have found out u and v, like because we don't want the whole thing to become complicated, here itself let's find out du over dx, because that's what we require here, and let's find integral of v dx. Both these things we require in the formula, so right away we will find it here. Du over dx is 1. We know derivative of x is 1, and integral of sin x we all know is negative cos x. Plus c we don't write in this case. Other cases we will write, but here we will not write. So that's about the initial part. Now because we know the formula, let's go in for the formula directly. I is u integral of v dx minus du over dx integral of v dx whole dx, and everything we have got, let's quickly substitute. U for us is x, integral v dx for us is minus cos x, and I hope this minus we will see, yeah, and then here du over dx we know it's 1, and integral of v dx we know is minus cos x. Let's bring that minus out and make it plus cos x dx. That's it. It's quite simple. So this will come to minus x cos x plus integral of cos x we all know is sin x. So sin x plus only that much, x minus x cos x plus sin x plus it, that's all. Yeah, so once you have decided u and v, your work is done. And if you systematically keep these things like that, your work is really simple. So that's about the first problem. Right away, let's take the second problem. The second problem is exactly like the first problem itself. It says that it is x sine 3x dx. Same thing, only instead of sine x, it is sine 3x. So like how we did before. First, let's decide u and v. So this is an algebraic function for us. This is a trigonometric function. Algebraic comes before trigonometric. So let's decide u and v. U for us is x and v for us is sine 3x. Right away, let's find out du over dx, which is 1 for us, and integral of v dx, that is integral of sine 3x, is going to be minus cos 3x over 3. That's it. Now let's go for the integral. Integral formula is u integral v dx minus du over dx integral of v dx the whole dx. And that way your u value is x. Integral v dx is minus cos 3x over 3. And here we'll make it plus y because that cos is going to give you a negative. So that negative and negative, that will make it positive. Du over dx is 1. So it's 1 times cos 3x. The negative sign we have taken care of. 1 over 3 also we can take care of outside. That's all. So I think this will give you the integral in the very next step. Minus x cos 3x over 3 plus 1 over 3. Now you need to find the integral of cos 3x, which is sine 3x over 3 plus c. That's it. So your final integral value is going to be minus x cos 3x over 3 plus sine 3x over 9. 3 times 3 is 9 plus c. That's all. So that should be all for this video, where we have just got into the idea of integration by parts. We have understood that how to get u and how to get v on the basis of the rule Eilert. As soon as you get u and v, we are going to keep our du by dx and integral v dx ready and then apply it in the formula. It's only that much. Certain cases are going to be really simple and some cases you do have to do working. So that's about it, and that should be all for this video. As soon as so maybe when we meet next, we will be doing the next couple of problems. So as I always tell, please popularize the channel, see that it spreads amongst lots of people and we get a lot of subscriptions. And a big thank you for whatever be the subscriber count that is increasing, though it is not very exponentially increasing, but it is increasing at a very encouraging rate. So it's a big thanks to the viewers itself. And also please keep the encouragement on and see that we get even more subscriptions so the channel becomes more popular. Thank you.